www.5hoursinbrampton.ca. This is a website to visit to get all the details about this great event happening this Saturday in Brampton, 5 hours, noon to 5 p.m. And for more details, Mr. Spano is joining us again on Sean Express. A very good morning to Mr. Spano. Welcome to Sean Express. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Shalini. Good morning to our listeners.
Good to have you on the show again.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so Mr. Spano, the listeners are really excited to know more about this 5 hours in Brampton. How can they take advantage of this great opportunity?
Well, we have great incentives for 5 hours only. That's thus the name 5 hours in Brampton. So what we're doing is we're bringing 3 prime downtown condominium projects by the builder Plaza. Plaza is a well-known builder.
That's right.
They're very large. They have many projects throughout the city right now. So what we did is we chose 3 of our best projects in core downtown areas. One is Queen Street West, which was nominated the 2nd coolest neighborhood in the world.
That's right.
By Vogue magazine.
That's
next
right.
to Japan.
Recently, yeah.
And beat over Tribeca in New York.
That's right.
The other location is Bathurst and Adelaide. For those of you that go down to King Street West and attend the restaurants. Also, Bathurst and Adelaide is close to the eBay office and the Twitter office.
Very hot location.
It's very rustic. It's red brick building area. So we have that project which is called Musée, and we also have Yonge and Wellesley Station right next to the Wellesley subway station, which is 50 Wellesley. 50 Wellesley. Now. And we have a special project that we're also introducing, which is our #1 Yorkville. So the reason why you would come to this event is because you are looking for a downtown property, to own a downtown property. As you know, it's a very hot market right now in the downtown core. Buildings are selling. People are seeing the value with the prices going higher and higher. Just in the last, I would say, 5 to 6 years, prices have gone up from $425 a square foot to like $625, $700.
That's true.
So prices are going up. There's an increase.
That's true.
But our offering is very good because we're under the market value on our price per square foot. Some of our prices start at $490 per square foot.
That's amazing. So, $490. You can't go wrong. And Mr. Spano, people are really excited because they come to one event and they can save a lot. Like as I've been mentioning for the last few days, just 5% deposit, and the locker they're getting just for $19,000. That looks so amazing in downtown.
It's not the locker, it's the parking.
It's a parking.
That's an expensive locker, but
that's right.
with some of our projects, the locker comes included. To get a parking spot for under $20,000 is unheard of.
That's right.
Especially the fact that you can get it on all the units, from 1 to 2 bedroom to 3 bedroom. Normally they reserve parking spots for 2 bedroom and up, depending on the density.
That's true.
2-year rental guarantees, 1 year free maintenance, lease on occupancy. So when you do get your unit, you can lease it right away. Free window coverings. We have opening day prices on all our projects, plus tens of thousands of dollars off the purchase price. So it's a 5-hour event, prime downtown projects. It gives you the opportunity to shop various projects all in one location. This is a builder event from Plaza. So the builder is there, all their representatives are there. And it should be a very interesting event tomorrow.
And they can ask all their questions about all the projects, and they can get their answers. And then you do come with the checkbook in hand so that you can take that decision immediately.
Yeah, a $2,000 deposit to buy any of our product. So for the first 30 days, all you got to do is do $2,000. And for some of our projects, we only have 5% down. And we have different closing dates. So depending on your objectives, if you're looking for immediate property, we have 2015 closing dates. We have 2016. We have 2017 closing dates.
Sounds great. So listeners, आपको पहुंचना है 5hoursinbrampton.ca इस वेबसाइट पर और लॉक करना है अपने आप को पहुंचना है इस इवेंट में. And Mr. Spano, please let us know about the address as to where this event is happening and where do we have to reach.
It's right at the corner of the Gore Road and Queen Street East. That's in Brampton, just close to the 427.
That's true.
It's being held at the Hampton Inn Hotel. And the event starts at noon, so 12 o'clock sharp. I would recommend everyone just arrive on time.
That's right.
So that you could just get your best picking. There's a lot of units available, so there's a lot of opportunity for people to come throughout the day. So it's from 12 to 5, and I would recommend everyone RSVP at www.5hoursinbrampton.ca because when you RSVP, you get an additional cashback coupon that you'll receive upon entry.
That's amazing. So listeners, आप अगर special rebate coupon चाहते हैं तो आप अपने आप को register कीजिए 5hoursinbrampton.ca पर जाकर, or you can call Mr. Spano directly at 416-568-6649. That's 416-568-6649, and this is happening tomorrow, September 20th, Saturday, at the Hampton Inn Hotel, corner of the Go Road and the Queen Street East, from noon to 5 p.m. Thank you so very much, Mr. Spano, for joining us today, and you have a great day.
Thanks for having me.
You're most welcome.